Hi, boys and girls. Today, KidStir, we're going to do two things. We're going to make a fruit pizza, and then we're going to do a flour. Our fruit pizza, you're going to get a graham cracker, a whole graham cracker, and you break it in half. And on it, you're going to have a cream cheese spread. Now, I just got plain cream cheese spread for you. There's lots of different flavors you can have. But this is just plain cream cheese. So what you're going to do is spread it on your graham cracker, cover it. And you will get enough to do one full graham cracker. You can break it in half. All right, now, your fruit you will have a raspberry, you will have a blueberry, and you will have a strawberry. Now I'm going to wipe my knife off. And some of you may have grapes. Everybody's going to have a little something different. So have Mom help you trim your strawberry, because your strawberry is just a little large to lay on there like this. So you slice your strawberry like that and slice and put it on your pizza. Then if you have some extra, then you can just eat your pizza. But you will have two halves to make. And there is your fruit pizza. All right, the next project you're going to do is you're going to do a little flour. You will get 2 pretzels, and what you will do is you'll get a candy melt, and you're going to place that candy melt. Now I'm just going to do one right now. Let me take my M&Ms off of here, and I'm going to put my little pretzel in the microwave, and I'm going to put it on 45 seconds, and your little melt will melt. Let me clear. And then you will use, everybody's going to have different color. We have spring colors. Everybody is going to have different colors. And you won't have enough to do 2 pretzels. 2 flour pretzels, but you will have, this is going to be your center of your flour, and then you have 2 shades of pink. That's just one of them. You may have pink, you may have purple, you may have lime green. You're going to have all color different M&Ms, so you can fix your flour however you want it. See, these are all different colors. You may want all pink, and you may want all purple. All right. Now, that's what it looks like. But when you press on it, can you see it? I don't want to lose it. You can put your white one in the center there, like that, and it's gonna melt out. Then you're gonna put your pink one, another pink one, and go all the way around it. And there is your flour. Then, once you've done it, put it in the refrigerator. Put both of them in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes and let them get hardened a little bit so they stick together. And they are so good to eat. Hope you enjoy this and have a great afternoon.